Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your AstralPool VX 7T chlorinator is showing a no-flow error, it can be frustrating because it usually stops chlorine production and affects your pool water quality. Many users think the unit is faulty, but in most cases, this error simply means the system isn't detecting proper water flow through the cell. This can happen due to pump issues, blocked pipes, dirty filters, or even a faulty flow sensor. Since the chlorinator depends on steady water movement, even a small restriction can trigger this warning. The best thing is that with a few simple checks, you can fix the issue and get your system running normally again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the pool pump is on and running properly. Step 2. Clean the pool filter and remove any blockages. Step 3. Check for clogged pipes or closed valves in the system. Step 4. Inspect and clean the chlorinator cell for debris or scale. Step 5. Check the flow sensor connection and alignment. Step 6. Restart the system and confirm the error is cleared.